Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Quintessa here. Today we're going to talk about some educational resources. But first, let's talk about some ways the students can study. Think of some ways that your students have been taught to study or ways that you're teaching them to study. If we were to think of some ways to study, the students could read books, look over worksheets, note cards. They could use consistent repetition as far as maybe writing something over and over or memorizing something in a particular form. Or an educational resource I like to use, which is called Quizlet. So, we're going to look at Quizlet, and we're going to just pretty much look at how you can use Quizlet as a way to teach your students how to study. So Quizlet provides access to information posted by teachers, educational staff, students, and even parents. It also represents ideas in new and different ways. For instance, when you choose play, you can decide when you choose how you want to view the flashcards that's created by the user. And all this educational tool can be used to create a study source for students to practice and test their own knowledge on any content posted by the teacher. It is also a tool for students to create ways to study on their own. Meanwhile, the teacher can monitor the students' progress on a particular content as they study. So let's jump right into it. So first, we need to type in the website, which is Quizlet.com. And there we have it. So Ms. Shields is already logged in, which is me, Quintessa Shields. And as you can see, it brings you to the home page. And here you have where you can look at your last activity. You can also, if you're a upgraded user, have access to premium content. View your study sets, settings, help center. This is where you create your classes. So I've created a class. And then down below, you can create folders for your students. And above, this is where you'll just, you can browse different study sets or different content. So I've pretty much created a trial for us to view. So, as I stated before, when you open the flashcards or study cards, as you can call them, it has an area where it says play, which is here. And play allows you to either choose a way to learn, look at the flashcards, write, spell, test, match, gravity. So it has different interactive ways for the students to interact with the flashcards or study the flashcards. So I just simply created a few questions below. You can use pictures, you can add sound, whatever you need to get the student's attention or to help hint what question you're asking. So just to show you guys a quick view, if we were to look at flashcards, we would simply click flashcards. And as you can see, we will just flip through. And just to show you guys how to create them, so this is the create icon and this is the search icon. So you can either search for a pre-made set of study cards or you can create your own. So let's take, for example, if we were going to create our own. So we would just click create. We would scroll down and this is where you would enter the terms or questions and put the answers to the right. You can add pictures, suggestions. If we were to add pictures, you would just click add an image. And Quizlet even brings up where you can even look up images based on whatever the question is. So let's see if we put educational. We'll click search, and it brings up different pictures that relates to education. Or you can just simply upload your own saved image. And you just go from there. So once again, Quizlet is a tool that students can use to study based on the content that a teacher provides for them. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Once again, Quizlet provides access to information posted by teachers. It also represents ideas in new and different ways. And for the users, it is a way to teach students how to study and ways to be interactive with the study tools provided. Thank you for listening. Have a great one.